A hearing test is a measure of the softest sounds that your child can hear. Different techniques are used depending upon the age of the child. Your child's hearing will be tested on a regular schedule. The results of the hearing tests are used to describe the type, degree, and shape of hearing loss. The techniques and types of hearing tests used to test your child's hearing will change as your child gets older. For babies younger than 6 months old, and for some young children, hearing tests are conducted while they are sleeping. Sensors are placed on the forehead and behind the ears. Sounds are presented through earphones. When the sound can be heard, the sensors detect brain responses. It is important that the child is very quiet during the test. Movement will interfere with the test. Sometimes medicine is given to help your child sleep. The test is about 2 hours long. This hearing test is called Auditory Evoked Potentials. The test might also be called AEP, ABR, or BAER. Babies as young as 6 months can be tested in a soundproof booth. Sitting in a high chair or on your lap, they are taught to respond to sound by turning their head. This response is reinforced by watching an animated toy or blinking lights. When the infant has learned the task, the testing begins. Sounds are presented through earphones, and the child's head turn responses are reinforced. Since the reinforcement is visual, this technique is called Visual Reinforcement Audiometry, or VRA. It may take more than one appointment to get all the testing done. The VRA method can be used for children up to 3 years of age. Another method used in the soundproof booth is called Conditioned Play Audiometry, or CPA. This game-like test is used for children 3 to 6 years old. The game involves putting a block in a bucket or pushing a button when they hear a sound. Sounds are presented through earphones. Testing can usually be completed during 1 or 2 appointments. Children up to the age of 6 think this game is fun. After a child is about 6 years old, they can be tested like an adult.